In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Payoneer payment gateway in WooCommerce. Whether you're just starting out with your online store or looking to streamline your payment processes, integrating Payoneer into your WooCommerce site is a fantastic way to offer a secure and reliable payment solution to your customers. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, making it easy to follow even if you're not a tech expert. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional Payoneer payment gateway ready to handle transactions on your WooCommerce store. So let's dive right in. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website, and it's where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look over on the left-hand side menu and click on Plugins. This will take you to the Plugins page, where you can manage any plugins you've already installed. Next, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. This is where you'll be able to search for new plugins to integrate into your site. In the search bar, type in Payoneer. After a moment, you should see a list of results. What you're looking for here is the official Payoneer plugin. Once you've located it, click on the Install Now button. WordPress will take care of downloading and installing the plugin for you, which should only take a few seconds. When the installation is complete, you'll see a new option to activate the plugin. Go ahead and click that, and just like that, you've added the Payoneer payment gateway to your website. Now that the plugin is activated, the next step is to configure it. To do this, navigate back to the left-hand menu in your WordPress dashboard and find WooCommerce. Hover over it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click on Settings to access the main settings page for WooCommerce. Once you're in the Settings area, click on the Payments tab at the top. This is where you'll manage all the payment methods available on your store. Look through the list of payment options until you find Payoneer. When you see it, enable the option by clicking the toggle switch. This will make Payoneer available as a payment method on your site. After that, click on the Finish Setup button next to Payoneer to continue. At this point, you'll need to log into your Payoneer account. Open up a new tab in your browser and go to payoneer.com. Once logged in, check your account dashboard to see if the checkout option is available. This is a feature you'll need in order to integrate Payoneer with WooCommerce. If you don't see the checkout option, no worries. You can register for a Payoneer checkout account directly from your WooCommerce setup page. Just click on Connect WooCommerce to begin the process. You'll be asked to fill out a registration form with your details. This includes your name, email address, phone number, website, e-commerce platform. Make sure to select WooCommerce, your monthly sales volume, and your country. Take your time to ensure all the information is accurate. Once the form is ready, submit it and wait for Payoneer to review and approve your checkout account. This may take some time, so be patient. Once you receive approval from Payoneer, log into your checkout account and locate your API credentials. Specifically, you'll need the API username, live API token, and live store code. Once you have this information, return to your WooCommerce Payoneer setup page and enter the credentials into the corresponding fields. Now, you'll want to select the payment flow. Choose the embedded option, as this provides a seamless payment experience for your customers, keeping them on your site throughout the checkout process. After selecting Embedded, click on the Save Changes button to finalize your setup. And there you have it. Your Payoneer payment gateway is now fully integrated into your WooCommerce store. Customers can start using it to make secure payments, and you can enjoy the convenience of Payoneer's robust platform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.